Alright, so this is actually going to be the last video of my Lego car wash. This is like version 6 or 7. I don't even remember now. I don't even remember when I made the last change either. So, about the machine. So if you don't know how it works, I will show you. So I have this motor attached to, well, this battery box, because, I don't know. I just have it attached to that one right now. So I have a couple motors. So this one here. So I have it connected to this shaft, which drives these two brushes here. So that one and that one, I put brand new brushes on it yesterday, so so I can get the best video results. And also it drives this little emitter curtain here. So I mean, this spins and this just goes back and forth. I just have attached to a rod right there underneath, and a couple rubber bands. Alright, well, yeah, I forgot to point it out that it drives these two brushes here, and also the rubber bands which drive the top brush. And I don't know, I think this is a version 6 or 7 add-on. Well, the latest thing added on anyway was I can turn this and it lowers it. So yeah. I'm probably not going to take it to college with me, so I figured I'd knock out one more video of this in its current condition. So yeah, I mean, if you don't know the history, I first built it like in November of 2017. So this project has been going a long time. Well, I have to kind of take it apart when I replace the brushes. So. And the brushes are I just use graph paper to make it easier to cut, so it's like 6 by 5. I stick like one row inside, and I just use these for bristles, and it works pretty good. And the same kind of thing with the emitter curtain too. And then with the conveyor, I actually had to put two smaller ones together, and which leads to this other motor here. Well, it's all my tester cars. And this motor, a little spiral gear way down in there with the big gear, so it goes slowly. Then I have it joined to two different gears. And then it goes right into those holes, which drives each side of the conveyor. Front and back's the front and the back for ya. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and just do 2 test cars for this video. I know I picked out that one, I never picked out another one. Let's just do this one. So how it works, well, I just had this little spray bottle for water. I'll go ahead and turn it on now. So now I'm gonna just bear with me, I'm gonna have to like set my camera right down here. Oh, now I see that. And just bear with me as I wet these couple cars. So I can get a good conveyor shot right there. And you can pretty much put cars back to back, just like in a regular tunnel system. Alright, so let me put that one on. I'm going to adjust the emitter curtain a bit. Sometimes it doesn't want to work very well, but you can see brushes are making contact, and down here too. Let me scoot this one back. The emitter curtain's not working like it's supposed to for some reason. Just want to watch one of my older videos, it worked better in there. And let me drop the top brush. Let me raise it up a bit. Yeah, I don't know why the emitter curtain's not working. I think I put it on differently because that's probably why. I don't know why that top brush is doing that. And I don't know why it's not working very well all of a sudden. Never had this. Never had these many problems all at once. Sometimes it works, sometimes it just doesn't. Well, this one's through. Top brush usually doesn't skip like that. I don't know why. It's not working well today. Alright. Well, I hope that makes sense. But, too bad everything wasn't working according to my plan, but 8 minutes long, wow, didn't feel like 8 minutes. Well, I guess without further ado, that will be it for the LEGO car wash videos for a while, so hope you enjoyed.